What is up, everybody? Today we have an insane package from Speedcube Shop. I don't know if I'm gonna need scissors to open this, but I'm gonna yeah, okay, I don't think I actually need scissors for this. In here should be the GAN 356M Lite. What a fantastic name by GAN. Let's just do the big insane box reveal. Here we go. It's looking mighty fine. Smaller than I thought it would be. Very cool. Alright, we have squished Speedcube Shop card. Yeah, there's nothing else in there. And here is the cube. Very interesting. Let's go. Insane. So we have a card. I don't know what this is for. We have whatever this is, which is I think a accessories box. I don't know what's in. Okay, so it's a bag that it comes with, so I can trap my $20 investment in there, and then just the pamphlet, and that's all that's in there. So now the cube. Let's see, boys. This is gonna be insane. I think this is just the. How do I open this? I don't know. Okay, there we go. This cube looks really nice, really epic. And just gotta get the plastic wrap off. Alright, here's the cube. It does have some lube on it, and let's just look inside. Oh, that's a bit tight. It feels a bit tight, actually. And then we have the kind of magnet thingies, and we have matte finish on here. We have the nice GAN logo. So there's nothing else to do with some first turns. Whoa. Okay, yeah, I think that's already my main. I bought this so it could be my main, but like that's okay. Yeah, so this cube feels very like low pitch, and it also feels like very loose kind of, so I can do YouTube with actually U3 with one flick. And I think I might even keep it like this. This feels really good. And the magnets, let's just see. Yeah, we have some strong magnets, and the feeling is very like soft and smooth. Kind of how I expected the Tengen to feel, but I never tried the Tengen. And this feels really nice. Everything is very epic. I also really like the colors that they picked. They look pretty nice, pretty sweet shades, and the inside has, you know, it has the honeycomb GAN design. I don't know if you can see that on camera. You probably can't. In the core, it's kind of hard to open, but so if we look in here, we have the blue GES nut, and this is the one without the replacement. So I don't know if it's gonna pick it up, but yeah, okay, I think it is. So 0.6, and then I think that's remove, and then 0.8. So those are the screw settings that I have, and I only have one spring in there, so it doesn't come with extra springs. So I guess that is the only downgrade with this cube, but like I don't even think I need it because this cube already feels better than my GTS 3. And just to compare the shades, this is what all the shades look like on the GTS 3. So we have a darker green, and then for orange, darker orange on the GAN. Yeah, I think overall oh my god, I'm so bad at rotating it. The shades on the GAN cube are better, and white is just white. And just to compare the noise that it makes, this is the GTS 3. And this is the GAN. So as you can tell, it's very low pitched, very nice to turn. I would highly recommend this cube. I also got this one on sale at Speedcube Shop. I think it was $27 originally, but now it was like $24, and I got it. And yeah, it just looks nicer in general. I expected that. This is also my first GAN cube, which is pretty epic. And I guess it's time to do a solve. Alright, scrambling it up for the first time. I'm also doing this through a camera, so it's going to be a pretty bad solve, but I'll do my best. Okay, let's do it. Oh no. Guys, this is not cool. The camera. That was very bad. Alright, I'm gonna do another try because that was just like really bad. Okay, so inspect for the cross. That's one F2L pair free. Let's do it. Oh wait. Nope. This is not cool. You know, it's a little bit better. I don't really care. Forgot to also check corner cutting, so I'm gonna do that. So this is 45. Can't do it. What is this? Okay, it can with resistance. So I think this needs to, I don't know, be somehow set up to be able to cut 45, but that's a bit hard. Okay, no, it can do it. And then past 45. Yeah, I can do it pretty good. Let's just compare that to my GTS 3. So this is 45. Can do it with some noise, but it's very easy. And let's check reverse. Yeah, reverse is very good. Whoa. Okay, yeah, I think that's better than my GTS 3, to be honest. Oh. Yeah, it's about the same kind of, like reverse is a bit better on the GAN. Like from here. Oh, no, my GTS 3 can't cut that. No, it can't cut there, and let me see if the GAN can cut there. Yeah, it can. Yeah, so this is a very good cube, and unfortunately for my GTS 3, it's just being overtaken by this GAN 356 M Lite. Very stupid name, and let's just, you know, use this GAN bag to trap this cube in here. No, the layer turned. That's not cool. And you just put it in there. And that's how it could be stored. Very cool. So that is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and sub, and also bye.